So in this video, I'm going to discuss the Asterisk-Minor template problem which occurred in today's CODEFORCES challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I'll provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. So this is a very simple to understand question. You're given, this is the number of test cases. You're given two strings, and you can replace a substring by star. Okay, it may be an empty substring also. You can replace it by star, and you have to check if you can represent both the strings A and B by the same expression. Okay, so like for this star B, that means B should be at the end and there can be any string towards the left of it. See, B is at the end and any string towards the left, B at the end and Z towards the left. Okay, for this start CO star, that is CO is here, star is here, that is any string over here and any string over here, right? This is basically the empty string, so that doesn't matter. And for code, see this thing CO, and this becomes a star and this becomes a star. Okay, this is not possible. This A star A star A star A. So for if all the stars are empty, then it becomes A. If all the stars are having one A in it, it becomes A. Okay, so this is what basically it means. A B C D. We can directly write A B C D because both the strings can be written as A B C D, right? For C and F, okay, for C and F, it is not possible. Okay, so this is like, I'm not going into the details of what the question states, so I'm going to just going to give you the logic. Okay, so if the character at 0 of A and the character at 0 of B are equal, we can say one thing, that we can print that character with an asterisk. Okay, obviously this is an yes. Okay, this is an yes. And if the character at let's say the length of A was M and length of B was N, if the last elements of A and B are equal, then also it's an yes. And you can print what? You can print a star and the last character. Okay, these are the very simple cases. This is the case 1, this is case 2. Okay, these are the very simple cases. Now there comes the case 3, which is a little bit complex, but not too complex. Like, you have to do what? You have to check, run a loop from like, okay, I won't give you the code because there may be some plagiarism type of stuff. So you have to check, you have to iterate I throughout the whole array, not array, throughout the whole string A, and J throughout the whole string B, and check if the substring, sorry, A dot substring I comma I plus 2 is equal to B dot substring J comma J plus 2. Okay, so if this happens, we can say that's an yes. And what we have to print? We have to print a star, then this thing, that is A dot substring I comma I plus 2, and then again a star. Okay, and case 4 is, if none of them satisfies, ignore my handwriting. Okay, if none of them satisfies, just print a no, a big no. Okay, done. This is a very simple thing. This is done. So see, why we do this? Because it is stated that the number of asterisks should be lesser than or equal to the number of letters. So if the first element is of the both string are equal, so we can like only give the first element and ignore all the rest elements. If the last element of each string are equal, we can consider only the last element and ignore the all elements. Okay, but what if none of them happens, right? So in that case, we have to find if two consecutive elements, that is, there is a substring of A of length 2 which is present in the B. Okay, there is a substring, like what case 3 is, a substring of length 2 in A is present in B. Okay, so like see, in this case, CODEFORCES and @coder, right? there is a substring of A of length 2, that is CO. Let me focus it. The CO which is present in CO, right? This, so CO star over here, star over here, CO star over here. Last elements are equal, so star and a B, right? This is obviously a no because none of the cases satisfies. For this, the first element are equal, so A star. Okay. For this, the first elements are equal, so A star. For this C and F, nothing is possible. Okay. So no. This is also no. So this is the basic code behind this. That's it. Thank you.